Can Pi coins turn you into a crypto millionaire? What makes this project the rave of the moment? And why is there so much buzz about it? Welcome to BlockLink Digital, where we dive into the fascinating world of AI, cybersecurity, and blockchain technology. Today, we'll be going over how earning 1,500 Pi coins could remarkably transform your fortune. And hey, don't just take our word for it. We've got all the facts and figures to back it up. Let's start off by addressing the elephant in the room. What is Pi Network? Mining crypto assets is no walk in the park. It demands top-notch and energy-guzzling computer systems, making it difficult for the general public to take advantage of mining crypto. With Pi Network, you have the incredible opportunity to mine cryptocurrency right from your mobile device. No high-tech computer setup required. Crypto miners from across the globe can easily download a mobile app in their smartphones and start mining Pi tokens. That's not the only thing Pi Coin has going for it. Unlike other crypto heavyweights, Pi Network doesn't gobble up your data plan, as the team behind this project designed it to be gentle on your data. You're probably thinking this sounds too good to be true. The thing is, however, the project has a respected team of visionary pioneers behind it, all of whom firmly believe in its potential to revolutionize the world of cryptocurrency. Let's name a few of them, shall we? Pi Network is the brainchild of a team of highly skilled tech enthusiasts who have joined forces to revolutionize the cryptocurrency landscape. Leading this groundbreaking project are Dr. Nicholas Corcalis, Vincent McPhillip, and Chandiao Fan. Dr. Nicholas Corcalis brings his coding experience to the team. With a PhD in computer science, Dr. Nicholas is committed to making this project a success. On his part, Chandiao Fan, the growth magician and Stanford School of Engineering graduate, offers his invaluable experience to the team. And let's not forget Vincent McPhillip, the community conductor. His experience in the world of cryptocurrency has been the secret to Pi Network's massive mainstream adoption. Is mining Pi coins the path to riches? Let's break it down. Now, to the $1,000,000,000 question. Can mining Pi coins make you rich? The potential for profits is certainly there, and the reward for successfully mining coins is real as well. So, if you're willing to put in the effort, then yes, mining Pi coins could lead to a substantial increase in wealth. It's important to remember that Pi is still in the refining furnace and is currently being mined by millions of people around the globe. While the coin isn't yet listed on exchanges as of the making of this video, you can start mining it today by downloading the app from any app store and just letting the app do its thing while you're doing the dishes, studying, or taking a break from work. Furthermore, although the exact value of Pi coin isn't yet known, there are many good reasons why this digital asset could be worth a lot of money in the near future. For starters, this cryptocurrency has a large user base. There are already over 23 million users across the globe mining Pi tokens, and the number is projected to shoot through the roof as more and more people learn about this cryptocurrency. Secondly, as already stated, Pi Coin is backed by an experienced team of developers. The team behind this revolutionary project are certainly veterans when it comes to crypto and are committed to making Pi Coin a success. The real icing on the cake, however, is that Pi Network has many use cases, making it even more attractive to crypto users around the globe. When Pi finally launches, you'll be able to make payments, send money, and use it to buy various goods and services. How can you become a Pi millionaire? Before we continue, here's something that might interest you.
Ever been curious about blockchain, AI, and cybersecurity? Welcome to BlockLink Digital, where tech becomes simple. Discover hundreds of articles and videos that keep you ahead. Join thousands of tech enthusiasts and subscribe to our weekly newsletter. Never miss a beat of the future. Sign up, it's free. Don't get left behind in the tech revolution. www.blocklink.digital. Dive into tomorrow, today.
Now, back to the video. The best way to become a Pi millionaire is to start mining this digital currency today. The more Pi coins you're able to mine, the more tokens you'll have when it finally hits exchanges. What could Pi tokens be worth when it goes live? Alright, Pi fortune hunters, let's quickly address the elephant in the room. What could Pi tokens be worth when they finally hit exchanges? To start with, this digital asset has been in the pipeworks for several years now, and millions of Pi enthusiasts are looking forward to when it finally goes live. This certainly bodes well for the asset's future growth, as there is a large base of people who are ready to buy and hold this cryptocurrency from day one. This also means that there's a good chance the token's value might surge through the roof when it eventually launches. And like many digital assets out there, we expect the utility of Pi to impact its value significantly. If this token is eventually used to power transactions and other services on the Pi ecosystem, then there is no telling how much it could be worth. Things to consider when it comes to mining Pi tokens. Overall, the massive potential of Pi coin doesn't just come from its huge cult following and potential growth in value. It also stems from the fact that you can mine it directly from your phone, which is way less demanding on hardware, power, and better for the environment. In an ideal scenario, which is highly probable, Pi coin is poised to experience a remarkable surge in value in the future, rewarding those who have dedicated their time with corresponding returns. In the worst case scenario, where the value of Pi coin might not meet its projected metrics, due to the high volatile nature of the crypto landscape, there's no need to worry. Since there was minimal commitment on your part, rest assured, no harm will be done. In short, Pi token is the best kind of investment. Low risk, high reward. And if you have been in the crypto space for quite some time, you'll agree that this space is heavily influenced by news, sentiment, and external factors. So, if the Pi community keeps promoting this project, then it can result in widespread adoption, which will ultimately impact its value. While we remain optimistic that the Pi token will do well when it goes live, let us quickly mention that no one can predict the price of cryptocurrencies, so we must be cautious about making any predictions. Even though many experts believe that the early involvement and buzz the token is generating will eventually pay off, we suggest taking a more cautious stance while we wait for the project to go live officially. For now, you can keep mining and accumulating Pi tokens. Who knows, it might turn out to be the best investment you ever made. What do you think Pi tokens could be worth? Let us know what you think in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos.